Good morning, everyone. It is nice and quiet here. The kids are out at sport, and I decided to sit down and write a meal plan, and I'm going to go out and do my shopping at Costco. So the first thing I've done is I've gone through my fridge, my freezer, and my pantry to see what I already have and to see what I need to buy. We do have a couple of dishes that we tend to make every fortnight, but I also do try to change it up a little bit and make sure that we try some new things and at the same time keep the kids fairly happy. I'm sure you've all been there. So here's the finished meal plan. Hopefully we'll be sticking to it relatively well, but sometimes things change and I'm okay with that. Alright, we are at Costco now, so time to get in and see what we can find. Let's go.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now. It's not that you're timid, no one could say. Choosing to walk with the gale. What shall we call us? Hobos per se. We'll find that out on the
Alright, I'm all done. Everything's packed into the car and I am ready to head back home. So let's go and go home and unpack and see what we got. Okay, here it all is laid out. So let's go through it all and take a look at what we got. So I decided to get this bag of limes because I really want to make some chicken fajitas and I love putting limes through that. It just makes it taste really, really nice. These grapes were a really good price and they look really good. My kids love grapes, so I thought I'd get the bag or the pack of that. Then I got these apples. I know they're going to go down pretty quick. My youngest love these big ones. Then next up we got the mission wraps. You guys know I buy these every fortnight. They just come in handy. We are for burritos. I'm going to use them for the fajitas and everything. Then I got some bananas. They look really nice and we can put them in smoothies. I grabbed this pack of corn. It was a good price and we're going to use them with some barbecues, I think. Another one of my staples now, I buy this pack of Lebanese cucumbers and I usually get through the whole lot by the end of the fortnight. and they seem to last pretty much exactly that long. Then I got a new pack of the 1 kilo salad mix, and I also got these red onions, and they should hopefully last me for at least a fortnight, if not a little bit into the next fortnight as well. I got 3 kilos of carrots. We eat them and we give some to the dogs, and they definitely get used. I thought these avocados were really good price, and they were good size as well, and I'll probably put a few out and put the rest in the fridge so they can sort of ripen over time. I want to make beef stroganoff, as you saw on my list, so I needed some mushrooms, and these look really good. Then I got the Mixamato mix with the different ones, as well as some little grape tomatoes, or Roma tomatoes it was. We'll probably go through them all, and if not, they do tend to last for a while. I just ran out of my organic raw honey, so I got another one, and seriously, this lasts me for like a good year. I got another raspberry preserve. My youngest absolutely loved this on his toast. Another pack of hummus. They are great for school snacks and lunches. I got this bottle of iced coffee, as well as this big 3-litre bottle of full cream milk. I find the price of this is pretty good. Then I also got the Laughing Cow cheese. My middle child, he loves to put this in his lunch boxes. I also got this large 1 kilo of sour cream. I just wish I had the full cream one. I got some thin Hokkien noodles that we can use for some stir fries. Then I got a big bag of party mix. And I haven't gotten this in a while, but I thought I'd get some more of the organic blueberries. I love them in my smoothies, and they are just really, really delicious. Then I got some white Hungarian salami. It's not too spicy, so it works well for all the kids and myself. I also got a double pack of whole chickens. We're gonna do butterfly one and do some barbecuing with it and stuff as well, and I'll put the other one in the freezer for another time. I got the Monterey Jack cheese, and I quite enjoy this one. It's nice and mild and soft. Then I got another one of the Loop Pack spreadable butter. I love this one. It is beautiful, and I can actually use it a bit in cooking as well, so that makes it handy. And I got another one of these Yo Pros. I've been getting these from Aldi before, but they had this huge big pack at Costco, so I got those. Then I've got the 30 pack of free range eggs that I tend to always get at Costco. That's just a really, really good price. I got some ground Australian beef, which was a really good price as well. I can't find that price anywhere else. Everywhere it's just more expensive. And again, I've got some more topside steak that worked out really well, just making some into marinated steaks and some for beef strips and stuff for stir fries and things. So I'll be using that definitely for my beef stroganoff, and probably also a beef stir fry. And I should probably get quite a few different, so yeah, I reckon probably maybe 3 or 4 packs out of that, so we'll see. So that was everything that I got. I'm going to pack this all away, and then I'm going to show you how I portion it all out and store it so that we can have plenty to eat over the next fortnight, and it might give you some ideas as well. So I'm just going to show you what I've got now. So I've done a few 1/2 kilo packs, and I've also done some smaller packs as well that my older son does if he needs to cook a quick dinner. So this is my meat all portioned up. Thought I'd show you. So I've got 7 lots of 1/2 kilos of mince, so that's about 1 pound each, plus 4 smaller portions for my oldest son when he needs to do like a separate dinner for himself. Then I've got the beef strips and the marinated beef all done. And here is my fridge all stocked up, so you can just see how I sort it all out. So I have lots of carrots now, and I've got the mushrooms and everything. Managed to stack that into the other drawer, so we are set to go. Thank you so much for watching with me today. I hope you enjoyed this little haul and menu planning, and I wish you all a fantastic week ahead.